Welcome to WPA 24/7. In today's video tutorial, we are going to go over how to install WordPress on your cPanel hosting using the WordPress and install options by Softaculous. So grab your beverage of choice and enjoy the video. I'm going to go up here. Now for this, it is assumed that you have hosting set up, which means you will have cPanel access to your hosting account, which would come with it. So for mine, I have a domain, justinhill.me, and then for me to gain access, or one of the ways I can gain access is through cPanel like this. And then you get to a screen like this where you will basically log in. So if I just log into it, there's lots of hosted companies out there. You shouldn't have to spend a fortune. If you would like me to suggest some of the ones that I've worked with in the past or I've used, or the ones I currently use, then just put a comment down below and I'm happy to share them. But this is not a promotional video. I'm not trying to gain anything, so I'm not including them from the get-go. If you want to know who I use, then I will let you know. So basically when you're in, it should look something like this, depending on what version of cPanel they have installed. You will have the similar options, it just may not be in the same positions. But anyway, along here we have some quick install options. We have WordPress Manager by Softaculous. There's a WordPress management one there as well. Today we're going to go over this one here, WordPress Manager by Softaculous. It will also be down here somewhere as well under software, WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And I'm probably saying that wrong. So we can click on here or we can click on there, it's the same thing. So if we click on it, we get to here. You can manage your WordPress installations from one place using the WordPress Manager feature. And then we have some various options. There's no WordPress installations found, so we are going to install a new copy. We come down here. So please choose the URL to install the software. That's the URL. It's https justinhill.me and then a directory that you want it installed in. So I mean, it's put here a WP directory, but I just want to install it in the root. So basically in justinhill.me, not justinhill.me/WP and then install WordPress. You can, it's entirely up to you. But for this tutorial, I'm going to take that out because I don't want it in that directory. And down here we have site settings. We have site name. Just for now, I'm just going to leave that as is. My blog, site description, my WordPress blog. Again, you can change all this. You can have multi-site as well. This feature will enable multi-site options for your WordPress blog. But again, we won't cover that in this tutorial. And you've got the option of disabling WordPress cron. If selected, WordPress cron will be disabled and a cron job will be added in your control panel to be executed twice an hour. Again, we won't cover that. It's not important in this tutorial. And then we've got admin account. For now, I've got admin. For now, I'll put pass. Again, it's saying it's bad. But this is just a tutorial, so that's fine. And then we've got admin at justinhill.me and some extended settings down here. Got English selected, that's fine. You've got pro version of the market plugins will be installed for free. So you've got some plugins here that you can install for free. Yeah, pro versions of the market plugins will be installed for free. So you've got a drag and drop website builder, limit login attempts, improve page speed, quick consent banner, drag and drop website. I mean, for me, there's nothing wrong with these, but I like to have a completely fresh install with nothing else. I like to completely control what I have. But by all means, obviously, you can include these if you wish to. We've got some advanced options that look like they're hidden. Yeah, database, type the name of the database to be created for the installation. It's just default with something in. That's fine. Table prefix, again, that'll be for if you want to have multiple WordPress installs in the same database so that they don't override one another. You have an option here for auto upgrade WordPress plugins and auto upgrade WordPress themes. So if checked, all WordPress themes for this installation will be automatically upgraded to the latest version every 24 hours. So it's one way of keeping things updated. You've got here, do not auto upgrade, upgrade to minor versions up and upgrade. And this is for selecting the automatic upgrade preference for this installation when new versions available. So that's new versions of WordPress. Do not auto upgrade, upgrade to minor versions only. It's not a bad idea to auto upgrade, but then if you've got themes that are set up and plugins, it might be good just to make sure that there's no issues with latest versions before you upgrade. So I like to sort of upgrade myself, because then you can check before you upgrade. And then you can email installation details if you want to email them to yourself. And then we're just going to click install. This may take 3 to 4 minutes. It didn't. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has been successfully installed at justinhill.me. Administrative URL is justinhill.me wp/admin. We hope the installation process was easy. Yes, it was. And it's just letting you know that Softaculous is just an automatic software installer and does not provide any support for individual software packages. Please visit the software vendor's website for support. And then you can tell your friends about it and tweet. So here we can go, if we visit justinhill.me, open a link in a new tab, that will take us to the website view. There we go, that's my URL, my blog, hello world. So this is the website. We can click on it, sample page. And we've got an about, shop, we'll just go to the sample page. There we go, that's now installed, that's simple. And we can also go to the administrative side of it, which is, there we go, it's taken us straight in. And that's it. WordPress installed using Softaculous installer. Hope you found this video useful. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified when we release videos in the future. More WordPress tutorials coming soon. Take care and peace out.